Are you looking for the best folding saw in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best folding saw that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Corona RazorTooth Folding Saw. The Corona RazorTooth is a compact, aggressive, and fast saw. It features a simple locking mechanism that secures the sharp blade open while you're sawing or closed while the blade is stowed. The locking mechanism is cleverly placed at a far enough distance from your hand that it isn't likely that you will press it when using the saw. The co-molded, bicolored handle is very ergonomic and practically grabs your hand with a soft rubber grip. And there is also a large triangular-shaped opening to attach a lanyard to. The razor-sharp curved blade is super aggressive, with a 7 inches 65 mm spring steel blade with a triple ground tooth pattern for penetrating tough bone and wood. This saw cut through a 4-1 divided by 2 inches diameter log in just 24 seconds. The fastest in our testing. The aggressive blade and ergonomic handle also noticeably reduced sawing fatigue in our experience. This saw was the most fun to use, and we didn't want to put it down, whether you are cutting firewood or trimming branches. The Corona will make quick work of your task at hand. It comes in either 7 inches, 8 inches, or 10 inches blade lengths for cutting 3 inches, 4 inches, or 5-6-inch diameter branches respectively. The curved blade might be too aggressive for cutting smaller branches and is designed to cut with a pulling motion. Other than that, the Corona cuts fast, is as sharp as it looks, and exceeded our expectations. Up next in the 4th place is the Rexbeti Heavy Duty Folding Saw. The Rexbeti Heavy Duty comes with an SK5 steel blade with staggered, triple cut teeth, a long rubber handle, and a lifetime warranty. Despite being one of the lowest priced saws we tested, it performed super well, cutting through a 4-1 divided by 2 inches diameter log in 1 minute and 4 seconds. This saw's 11 inches long blade has no trouble shredding through 6 to 7 inches diameter branches. The locking mechanism is bright orange, making it simple to distinguish from the black handle grip, keeping you from accidentally folding or unfolding. For cutting larger diameter logs, the Rexbeti performs well and won't cost you an arm and a leg as long as you're careful while sawing. With a longer blade comes less rigidity, which we noticed while testing the Rexbeti, compared to triangular frame saws which provide a lot of support for the saw blade. The Rexbeti's blade doesn't quite have the stiffness necessary to cut bigger logs. That being said, it is rigid enough to make the cut, so long as you focus on starting your cut straight and plumb. It probably isn't the best saw to take on overnight backpacking trips due to its weight and bulk, but for car camping or yard work, it should suit your needs very well. The 3rd product on our list is the Opinel Folding Saw. The Opinel No. 12 Folding Saw has a simple, elegant design and was one of the highest quality saws we tested, weighing in at under 4 ounces. This lightweight saw comes with an attractive and ergonomic French beechwood handle. The carbon steel blade comes in either a 5 inches or 7 inches length, designed to cut up to 3.15 inches or 4 inches diameter branches. The Virablock safety ring designed by Marcel Opinel in 1955 locks the blade in both the sawing and folded positions. You might be pleasantly surprised at how quickly this small saw slices through the wood, at 20 seconds per 2-1 divided by 2 inches diameter branch. You'll have a fire going in no time, although it is a bit pricey for such a small saw. We were impressed by the high quality of the Opinel. The blade's length somewhat limits its use, so it might not be the best choice if you're looking to cut larger diameter pieces of wood. However, if you're looking for a lightweight, compact saw to take on a backpacking or hunting trip or to do some simple yard work around the house, look no further. Second on our list is the Agawa Canyon 21-inch folding bow saw. Out of the open frame saws we tested, the Agawa Boreal 21 was the easiest to assemble. Once assembled, it was the fastest open frame saw, cutting through a 4-1 divided by 2 inches diameter log in just 30 seconds. It is also pretty lightweight, coming in at 18.7 ounces for the 21 inches saw. The hardened stainless steel blade comes with an anti-rust coating and has double-pointed rakers between sets of teeth which clears wood chips and fibers as you saw. The handle folds and snaps into place during assembly, without even needing to touch the blade. When unfolding, the spring action does fling the blade out suddenly, necessitating some caution during disassembly. The ease of assembly and rigid, trapezium-shaped frame construction make the Boreal 21 a breeze to saw with. During our testing, we discovered that a trapezium-shaped frame geometry is superior to a triangular frame geometry because it increases your range of motion while sawing, while it is a bit more pricey than some of its competitors. The quality construction, ease of use, and sharp cutting action might just pay off in the long run. Finally, the top product on our list is the Wicked Tough Folding Handsaw. The Wicked Tough Handsaw definitely lives up to its name. This burly saw comes with a wicked high carbon steel blade, which has a heavy gauge that resists bending and breaking. Its rugged cast aluminum handle is wrapped in a rubber grip with indentations for fingers, making it ergonomic and high friction. Surprisingly, its cutting time was on the slower side, at 1 minute, 16 seconds to saw through a 4-1 divided by 2 inches diameter log. Sometimes we get what we pay for. The Wicked is a bit pricey, but its construction is also a bit beefier. It also comes with a scabbard that is pretty darn tough for tree work when you want your saw securely stored but easy to access. Unfortunately, the saw and the scabbard are somewhat heavy, so this combo pack probably isn't the ticket if you're looking for a lightweight handsaw. However, if you like burly gear that you can beat up and weight isn't a concern, this saw was the toughest of them all. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.